Senior Leadership and Management Masterclasses to influence your output, growth, change and culture.
If it's not done in my way, in my particular fashion, using my particular tools and put it into your context, then I can't put my name on it. And you and I had that conversation over the phone the other day. Yes? Where if a haircut goes badly wrong, that haircut now has the label not of the stylist but of your name. Yes? So this is certainly where the delegator sees the project as his or her baby. It's mine. Yes, I'm going to allow other people to come in and work with me on this, but I can't let go of it. It was because it was my idea, says the delegator. It was my project, it was my vision. Letting it go, it's a tough one. So how do we let it go? We've got to sell ourselves on a concept. How do we let it go? By making something real. Talked about it yesterday.
Talk about the consequences of not letting it go.
And the flip side of that.
The benefits of letting it go.
The benefits, the very real benefits of not the benefits of letting it go, because that's the means to the end again. It's the benefits of realizing the long-term vision and recognizing. If you want to strip it off now, is recognizing that the only way of achieving that long-range vision a lot sooner is by letting it go. This is the means to the end, not the end in itself. Do you follow? Yes, it's what you have to do to achieve that.
Enroll on this masterclass now to influence your output, growth, change and culture. Enroll now at nicholashill.com or call 0345 678 9900.